Morning.
Good morning, everyone. It's a cold, brisk morning here in Northeast New Jersey. I'm actually heading to work. As you can see, I got my Kemi Moto Vest on right now, and we're gonna use it to go to work, and we'll see how it does. Right now, it's 32 degrees, walking to the bus stop. So I actually have the vest under my hoodie, and we're walking to the bus stop. The bus stop is about 3 to 4 blocks away from me. It is really cold. It is a little windy this morning too. So this vest right now, I actually put it on before I left the house, probably 20 minutes before I left the house. Put it on low, let it heat up a little bit. And right now, I put it right on high, like the red says, and it is nice and toasty. Right now, I feel like the only thing that's really cold is my head. That's why I got the hoodie on, put it over my head. We're gonna go walk through New York City as I take to the bus and the train to work, and I'll let you know how it goes. City is always cold. Walking through these big buildings, it's just like a wind tunnel. Right now it's not too bad, but the wind really picks up sometimes. Actually had to turn this down. When I was on the bus and on the train, it was actually very hot and warm, and I turned it down to low. Even then it was really hot and warm. But out here, I didn't have to turn it up. It's nice and toasty right now. A little bit of windy, but this vest is really doing the trick. This is a must-have when you actually commute to work. Big shout out to Kemi Moto for sending me this vest. Definitely make my commute a lot more tolerable. So anyway, guys, if you like today's video, hit that like button. Also hit subscribe, and if you do subscribe, hit that bell notification.